morning, y'all. So last night we got back in the house at about 3:30. Yeah, we're gonna need some more mullet. We got barely any sleep. Well, at least Matt and I. Brandon's still sleeping. Matt and I got up and we're gonna just head out to the surf without him. That's what I like to do, guys. Not wasting time when I'm at the beach. I'll go ahead and tell you guys what I got. So this is a 10-foot Century surf machine by Mott's Custom Rods. He makes all my custom rods. I got it paired with a Shimano Saragosa 5000 30-pound braid with a 30-pound shock leader. We're gonna have a high-low rig on this today, try and get some like whiting, bluefish, croaker, the little fish. Next up is my, I guess I can call it like my medium size rod for the surf, and this is also a custom custom Century surf machine, 11'3". Yeah, this is 11'3". Casts 1 to 6 ounce, up to 1 to 6 ounces right here. I got this paired with a Shimano Stella, 30-pound braid, 30-pound shock leader. Here's the bad boy right here, man. So this is my custom 13-foot surf machine. Mott's Custom Rods. He makes all my custom rods. You don't need a custom rod for the beach or any kind of fishing. It's kind of like a hobby of mine, and I just love fishing. So, but yeah, this is 13 foot. It casts 6 to 12 ounces of lead. Got my name on it, got the Cambodian flag and a diamond. Oh no, 5 to 12 ounces. This is also a surf machine. Got this with a Shimano Stella 14,000. I got it with Suffix Tritanium. It's 20-pound mono with a 60-pound shock leader, guys. And this rod is specifically for like drum and stuff, larger fish. The bite leader on here is probably 2 to 3 inches right here, and got it with a swivel. So basically, what that does is you can just cast it super far. And there's that. And there's Matt. Oh, it's nice out, man. Are you excited? We wait every year for this. I'm actually gonna retie my shock leader, guys, because this is from last year and I don't know what's going on right here, but what I use to attach my shock leader to my main line is the uni knot. Uni to uni, I found works the absolute best, for me at least. 30-pound shock leader, guys. Uni to uni. To me, it just works so good, man. I love it. All right, guys, so for my high-low rigs, I got these right here, Sigs rigs. So this is a 1/0 circle hook right here. If you guys need these rigs, hit up Sigs rigs on Facebook. Really nice, man. You can make these yourself, but I just got from him. I like to support small businesses. This is a 1/0 circle hook right here. There we go. Alright, guys, we got the swivel on first for the heaver. Bead. You don't need a bead, but I use a bead. And then the short bite leader right here. Just like that, guys. That's the drum rig. I'm going to throw a 10 ounce on the heaver. And then for the 10 foot and the 11'3", I'm going to put a 4 ounce bucknet. We'll see. We'll just adjust as the day goes on. We might not even need that much lead, but I mean, it's pretty rocky out there right now. On the 10-foot rod, I'm going to do fish bites. This is shrimp flavor. I'm also going to do a sand flea. For insurance purposes, I'm gonna put fish bites on here too, guys. guys. Yep. Is he on? I don't know. We'll see. I don't think so. I got something. Little baby pompano. That was a filleted mullet and sand flea. Check that out, guys. Little baby pompano. We're gonna do some raw shrimp on this one right here. Not far at all. Right there. Oh, there's so much mullet. I'm gonna hold it. Oh my god. That's a fish. No. Is it? Yeah, that's a fish. There you go, Matt. Pompano. What's the size limit on pompano? What is, how many can you keep? So there's no size limit, that's all I need to know. No size. Alright. Oh. Little pompano. There's a fish, guys. What is that? Oh, two pumps. Sweet, man.
Oh, he's on fire.
Another baby pumps. What I did was I cut these fish bites into like little triangles. Little triangles. That's a good bite. That's a good bite. Baby pump. You can back up more. Not that I see. You're good right there. Hey, is it low tide or high tide? Low tide. Hey, Brandon. Brandon. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. All baby pumps. Look, Brandon. Baby pumps. Baby pump. Oh no! What is it called? Black drum. Baby pump. And a black drum right here, guys. Little black drum. Can't keep it. A lot of seashells. Alright guys, we're gonna go get lunch real quick and head back out. So we're at ramp 48 and hopefully there's some fish here. We're gonna get this one past the wash. Little pump. That's a baby, man. What's he doing on my line, dude? Yeah, this 4 ounce ain't holding, so I'm gonna put a 5 stuck in it. Yeah. Oh, a little pump. Nice, dude. Oh, combination of shrimp and fish bites. Nice. That's Brandon's favorite fish right there. That's your favorite. Maybe? Fish. maybe. You got one? I got one too. I got you. Dude. Dude.
Holy shit.
Something bigger whiting in half, dude.
Holy shit.
Look at that, man.
That's crazy.
What on earth? Check that out, man. What do you think? A blue? Maybe a baby shark, maybe.
It might have been.
I think it's the bluefish that bit it, which possibly, look at the marks.
Yeah.
That's pretty sweet though. Baby pump. Huh? Matt got something. Nice and easy, Matt. Oh, it's a big blue, dude. It's a big blue, man.
Hell yeah.
Big blue, dude. Nice. Dude, that's a nice blue, man. That's what bit that whiting for
Yeah,
sure, man.
definitely.
Nice. Little black drum again. Now we'll bring out the 13 footer now.
Good.
Try and catch me a blue.
They're out there.
What on earth is all these little pumps? Whoa, gosh. Little pompano again. Baby pomp. Dude, the baby pumps, man. The daggone baby pumps. First, back then, it was the puffers. Now it's the pumps. Caught over 100 puffers last time.